Hi, I'm Kenton, and this is a video walkthrough of 2237 West Fullerton Avenue in Chicago. The building is located in the Bucktown neighborhood of Chicago, just west of Lincoln Park and just east of Logan Square. You can see it's very close to the highway, so there's quick access. This is a brick building, and this is the top floor unit that we'll be seeing today. As you enter the gate and approach the front door, you will see that there are buzzers for each unit, as well as an Amazon key sticker, which means that Amazon is able to buzz themselves into the building. The mailboxes are right there. Again, this is the top floor unit, so we'll go up all the stairs. At the top, there is a landing. As you can see, the current tenants have stored some stuff there. And going into the unit, the unit has hardwood floors throughout. This is the living room with the thermostat. The unit has central heat and central air. And as you can see here, you get a lot of sunlight. Entering the first bedroom, you see that it has a ceiling fan as well as a window. And there is a very large wall closet with mirrored doors. Next is the bathroom. And then there is the door buzzer and a hall closet for some extra storage. And the laundry room, so you have a stackable washer dryer, your own hot water heater, and your own furnace. Entering the kitchen, and the second bedroom has a ceiling fan. It's a little larger bedroom with a nice window and again a large closet with mirrored doors. The kitchen has a butcher block island and dishwasher, microwave oven, and refrigerator, nice deep sink, and granite countertops. And the island does have drawers and cabinets for lots of storage. Exiting the apartment, you see there is a large porch, and this tenant has stored a lot of their things there. Looking out the back, you can see the parking, and the parking for this unit is on the far left, and you can see there's easily space for 2 cars in that space. So we'll walk down the back porch. As you can see, there's the parking again. Going out the back door, this is where the 2 parking spots would be.